Lean production dars o'tamiz. Lean production o'zbek tilida, ingliz tilida, ikki tilda olib boramiz. Lean production nima? Lean production demak, lean production samarador ishlab chiqarish degan ma'noni anglatadi. Bu demak, training for MES manager and engineering. Ya'ni MES menejerlari va injenerlar uchun o'quv mashg'uloti bu. Demak, lean productionda demak plan tuzib plan. Ya'ni birinchisi what is a lean thinking? Birds of lean thinking genchiga butsu is deadly wasted overproduction. And what is the goal of company making produce, creating flow, adding value, pull system. Buni pull systemni ichiga kanban kiradi. Hijunkani ichida endi o'z navbatida muda, muri, mura kelgan chengchor kiradi. Quality in place. Jidoko pakiyoki kiradi. Standard days work. Visual control system, buni ichiga unknown kiradi. Continuous improvement, kaizen 5S. TPM, total productive management, major losses 16. 5 main pillars, basic and pillars, automatic maintenance, causes of plenty mechanics downtime, overall equipment effectiveness, Pareto charge. Shular demak ko'rib chiqamiz. What is the lean thinking? Is a search for ways to produce maximum value with minimum resource. Value, what is it? Transformation of all physical activity and information that are needed to fulfill a product or service requirement by the customer into something that the customer wants on the first time.